Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to turn on location on BeReal on this device. So first, let's just open the BeReal application to just post our BeReal or the late one. Just tap here to post a late BeReal button, and now we should just take a picture. So let's take a selfie. After that, if you want to turn on the location on your BeReal, you should just click here to location settings and switch location off to location on. After that, just tap here to sound, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.